This here is the slanted. And if you know anything about the slanted in trucks, you know what time it is! It's time for a little tea party. Now, would either of you like a banana or some milk? Huh? Some milk? Why don't we paint this truck up before the little race, huh? It looks good now. Let's get a brother in there, a Garfield, an animatronic, this guy, Chica, purple guy, and a guitar. Okay, are you ready for the best time ever? The crazy truck ride begins! Oh god, guys, stay in! Chica, stay in! Oh god, Chica, animatronic! Oh, animatronic's coming back. Oh shoot, he's gonna get stuck on the tires. Oh, we're gonna hit a wall eventually. Look at that. Oh, I have the wrong thing equipped and I did not mean to do that. Continue! Cause it doesn't end! It never ends! That was a crazy truck ride. After that absolutely immaculate truck ride, you might need some time to relax. And during this, I'd like to remind you that it only takes 1 second to click the subscribe button and make my channel grow to magnificent levels. If you like this video, thank you and continue watching. I am gonna take hold of you and then... Oh, I didn't mean for that. Yeah, magnificently fast. Keep going! Oh my goodness. You're like a superhero, look at you. Oh no, Saito! You're gonna get zapped, huh? Zip. How you like this, huh? How you like this? Intense. Bear trap. Oh. Ah! You can see, why don't you? Oh, I got you! Alright, my guy, you are definitely in a little bit of a predicament. A tower that could withstand anything. No destruction could cause the end of this tower. Absolutely nothing could destroy this tower. Yeah, that tower's gone. What's up, bro? I got a surprise. 100 tons over your eyes. The 5 individuals lived in harmony until the bus came. The only one able to withstand it was the robot. Unfortunately, he couldn't withstand the fusion bomb. I don't even know why I did that. Jousting! Hiya! Now, if I were you, I'd watch out for buses, because they're very dangerous. You didn't listen. So be careful, you're on a slope. Yo! Say it's time for you to take a little bit of a fumble. Oh, jeez. Oh, he's going down fast. Oh, he is scraping that head. It'll be a little red bean by the time this is over. Still going down the hill. Not stopping. Seems to have come to a stop. And then he was thrown, unsure how that happened. He hit the ground. He was thrown again, and he hit a wall. We're gonna put him in the icebox. For now. What's up, bro? How are you? Here is a... Are you feeling it now? Oh, Jesus! Seems it broke. Oh, let's check on our friend in the freezer. Looks like he was frozen. Swarm him back up. Yeah, you get in there. You're going in there too. Ah, well. Goodbye. So long.